Alright, we are at Dave & Buster's. I got it to ring twice. This was actually the first 3300 I've ever been on. Years and years ago. Let's just avoid that. I don't want to be questioned by the front desk. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Yeah, this ran just like that even when it was first installed, this one. I remember it being like that, like 7, 8 years ago now. I think 8 years ago. Wow, it's been a while. Anyway, that is all.